Hi! So today this is how I make homemade pork belly ham. So let's start! So this is a half kilogram of pork belly. So first we're going to remove its skin. So after removing the skin, we're just going to poke holes using fork for faster meat curing. Next, we're just going to mix 1/4 cup of rock salt and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of curing salt. Now after mixing it well, it's time to put it in the pork. And let's make sure to spread well and cover all the sides of the pork. Now after we're done mixing it together, now we're just going to cover it with a plastic wrap so that it will be airtight. Now we're just going to refrigerate it for 2 to 3 days and flip its sides from time to time. Now after 3 days, it's time to take it out and let's just wash it with water and pat dry it. Now it's finally time to cook our meat. Let's go! So first we're going to put 500 ml of pineapple juice. Then let's just put our meat. Next, we're going to put 1 bottle of San Miguel apple flavored beer. And then we're just going to sprinkle all over 4 pieces of star anise. And also add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And also add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with water. And add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now we're just going to stir and mix it together. Now we're just going to put a lid on it and let it boil for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And just check it from time to time. And I think this is ready. Wow, looking delicious. Now it's time to make the sauce. Now we're just going to use all the broth and just add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with water in order for the sauce to be thicker. And for the last ingredient, we're just going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and just mix it all together. While waiting, we're just going to put white sugar on top of the pork and maybe put some on the sides also. Now we're going to use torch to caramelize the sugar. You can also use oven instead if you have it in your home. Yeah, and let's do it on the other side also. And finally, our sauce is ready. Yeah, and here goes the sauce. That's it. Thank you.